Utilizing the manual pump option, you have to be sure that the backside is set on the vent position to allow air to enter the chamber to allow the hydraulics to operate properly. Close off the valve completely to allow it to build pressure, and now you start the process of pumping. Can you see the spear?
Yes.
Build up pressure through the pump system till the gauge reads roughly 3,000 psi. That assures that the spear has penetrated the cable and you have a good connection. Check the top of the cable to see that you visually have an indication that the spear is penetrated all the way through the cable. At that point, you know you have a good spear. The first thing you need to do is to open the relief, allow the oil to be pushed back into the system, and also have the piston retract on the steering pull. Release your cable guides on either side of the spear. Push up on the spear and pull the cable spear off of the cable, allowing the spear to stay in the cable. And now you can remove the spear so that you can go back to work. To install another spear into the cable once you've used it and either left it in the cable or cut it out, to reinstall the spear that you're going to use, you want to slide it through the cable guide down into the retainer, and you want to make sure that the spear latched in and cannot fall out when it's inverted. At that point, the spear is locked into the retaining guide and will not come out regardless of the position of the steering pull. Position your steering tool to the cable, release your cable guides, slide them up, tighten them in position. Utilizing the electric over hydraulic pump, make sure your hydraulic connections are secure. You can verify your pressure through the use of the gauge. Once you're set up, everything is secure. Utilizing the pendant switch, you can activate the spear. At that point, the electric over hydraulic pump reached its max, popped off at 10,000 psi, assuring you that the spear has entered the cable. To verify, check the top of the steering tool. You can see the spear protruding through the cable. Same as the procedures before. Release the cable guides, push up, and remove the tool from the cable.